Hey friends, Drew Cope, www.justhelp2two.com and 855-21-GOALS. Let's talk about systems. What do you do daily? What is your daily method of operation? Have you bought Alexis Romano's system so that you have a daily method of operation that's duplicatable that you can give to your team that everyone can follow? If not, you need to get on her website, alexisromano.com, and download her 7-figure program, download her systems for success, and do what she does because it works. It's what we do on our team, it's what we encourage our people to do, and it's what's going to help you. If you think routine is boring, if you're rebelling against it, if you have shiny object syndrome where you're distracted by everything else in the world, you will procrastinate because your why is not big enough and you're not clear and you've told your brain that this is hard, and so it's trying to help you avoid pain. It's time to undo all those situations and move yourself in a direction so that you can start being successful in what it is that you've decided is important to you. You have a big goal, maybe you have some bad habits that's keeping you from getting there. It's time to develop new habits. I am developing new habits now that will help me to be successful, to achieve the goals that I want to achieve. If you stay in conflict with yourself, you stay in doubt, you stay in disappointed, and you get to avoid responsibility, and then you can say, see, I told you, nothing ever works out. And congratulations, you win. You're right. You can be right. Tracy and I are going to be prosperous and wealthy so that we can do the charitable work that we feel called to do with our life. You choose. If you're ready to change and make your life more epic and start owning your life, and you need new habits, and you need a system. You can keep rebelling, or you can start a system. And if you're stuck in rebellion, maybe you need to ask yourself, why am I stuck in rebellion? And start looking at the situations in your life that may have helped you develop that habit, where you programmed your brain, or somebody else programmed your brain to run on that, and change it. Give a new set of instructions. Create that emotional space of peace and happiness and joy, and speak new affirmations of life that are going to break that habit in you by changing your beliefs and changing your thoughts. Why am I holding on to the familiar? Why am I not changing? What is my reasons? Is my reasons bigger than my present problems? All good stuff. We change when the pain is great enough. Jeff says rock bottom is highly, highly, highly overrated. You don't need to go there. Don't wait till it gets that far. Decide you want to change now, and you want to become a new and a better person. Because, like I said, we are a self-development program with an amazing compensation plan. And as you become a better you, as you become the you were designed and created to be, stuff happens, and it's amazing. And we want that for you. You've got to want it for you. Me wanting it for you is not enough. You've got to want it for you. If you want it for you, get on my website, give us a phone call. We'll get you started. And we're going to coach you and help you do the things that you need to do, that you require in your life to have and own the life that you deserve to have. You deserve to be, do, and have it all. Great book, by the way. But you can't change when you're in a body where you struggle with a contradiction that keeps you in a state of doubt and regret. If you're living a contradiction between what you've stated your goals are and what you believe about yourself, it's time to bring yourself into congruence, get yourself in alignment, because that's where magic starts to happen, and where those 400 billion bits of data that your brain absorbs and sees every second, you're actually able to process and use more of them. This is Drew Cope saying, make life more epic. Check us out online, www.justhelp2two.com, or give us a call at 855-21-GOALS. We'll see you guys at the next event. Connecting with you soon. Bye for now.